Bada bang, bada boom. Good morning. Just making sure everything is smooth. Everything is looking smooth, sounding smooth. Come in, come in. What's up, Adam? As you guys may notice, there's a little bit of change of scenery right now. It's because doing some moving, so that's why the background's different. Background won't stay like that forever. It's just temporary. And you may hear a little bit of an echo because this room that I'm in is my new office, and it's not. That's just my computer, basically. So. All right, letting everybody get in here. Morning, Matijuana. What's up, Skull? God. Yeah, I hope this doesn't affect my trading. It's like a new environment. So hopefully it's not going to make me feel different, you know? And this price action is kind of crazy. Okay. Let's lock in. Let's start marking out some levels. God dang, what is going on? Okay, so not a lot of news today. By the way, my TikTok got banned today for like the third time, and I just had to appeal it, and I'm back. But just in case I get banned again, make sure you're subscribed on the YouTube, because YouTube will not ban me. Might take it easy today. Again, I'm in a new room, new office. Feels different, and yes, that can affect my trading. Believe it or not, trading is a very sensitive thing. Let me move my desk a little bit. Give me 1 second. Okay, that's better. What's up, Adib? Adib. Let me know if my microphone is good, as usual. It might be a little bit louder because, again, there's an echo in this room. So I might sound louder and less high quality. But, all right, market has opened. There's no news today from what I remember. Yeah, no news today. So we just got pure price action ahead, unless Trump makes some random tweet. It's me again. I gave you 5 likes. That's 5 questions I'm going to ask. Thank you, Falco. I'll answer what I can. All right, so market is going straight up here. As you guys know, can't really trade a market that's going straight up, so we got some time on our hands now. Ugh, I hate moving, man. Everything feels different. So obviously, the 1 hour chart right now looks like it wants to come up to these most recent highs. So we'll just mark those out just to keep an eye on them. This is a crazy 5-minute candle. Thank you for the last what? What's up, Jones? I just made a video about how everybody needs to be in these lives. And so far, it's the same amount of people. I'm trying to help, guys. I'm trying. What's more important to you, being right or making money? No, not just making money. That's what it's all about. Why would I? No. I mean, but they kind of go hand in hand, right? If I'm wrong, I'm going to lose money. If I'm right, I'm going to make money. So it's kind of a balance. Lost my college down payment on this Drake candle. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we just tapped into that high right there, and now we're starting to see some rejection. A little bit of a higher volume candle. We got 30 seconds left on this candle, so this is going to definitely be a high volume candle. How do I know that? Because we're already a high volume candle, and there's still half the time remaining on this candle. All right, so let's see what happens here. Volatility is starting to increase. ATR, well, ATR is only 11 actually, so not super crazy. I was about to say thank you for the last time you helped me in the Discord. No problem, man. That's what the Discord's for. All right, let's see what price does here. You took long? No, you'll know when I'm long. There is the profit section right here. And speaking of profit section, let me make sure everything is set up properly. Leader account set up. Take 615. Oh, the yawning begins. What's up, Dino? Do you know who this is by chance? No, what is that? Is that a wallet? I saw you sent that in the Discord. I don't really know what that was for. What's your edge and how do you know it still works? I just made a video actually on what my edge is. And the reason it still works is because it never stops working. My edge is risk management and order zones. Orders, right? Finding where the orders are and using aggressive risk management. Those are two things that will last forever. All right, so we just took out, I think that's all-time highs. Yeah, so all-time highs there. If there was a point where price would have some kind of rejection, it should be at these highs. A lot of volume on the break of those highs. So this could be a sweep. Let's see. I mean, there's a ton of strength right now to the upside. So the sweep would need to happen very quickly. It would have to kind of be like a V-top reversal. Particular reason why your VWAP isn't showing. I kind of hide it. I only check in on it once in a while because it kind of, I don't know, it looks ugly. But actually, there's VWAP right there. There's the upper band right at the sweep of the all-time highs. So I just hopped in a short. Wish me luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. That is a scary short. I won't lie. Relatively new to trading, trying to find profitable wallets. Oh, I see. Yeah, we don't really trade. I don't really trade crypto all that much. I just focus on futures or NASDAQ futures, so can't really help you with that one, unfortunately. Why is my chart like 5 minutes before you? You might be on delayed data. Check right here. Oh, you can't see that on TikTok. Check the top left of your chart. Look for a green market open symbol. And if you're on TradingView, make sure you have market data. Go to their subscriptions and get their market data. Okay. That guy's shorting is about to get cooked. Unfortunately, it looks that way. Yeah, this is a crazy move higher. This is just, there's not much to be done right now. Technically, is it overextended? Yes, but the market can stay overextended longer than you can stay solvent. That's a quote as old as time. The market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. Can you clearly explain your risk per trade, risk of ruin, and position sizing? These are a lot of questions, Falco. I risk 5% of my total max drawdown per trade. Risk of ruin, I'm not quite sure. Position sizing formula is once again 5% of my max drawdown per trade. My risk of ruin is definitely small, given that I'm trading very small position size. Well, actually, I know my risk of ruin. It's basically 20 losing trades in a row. If I lose 20 trades in a row, that's going bust. But I don't think that's how you would explain risk of ruin. Do you think you're going to trade today, considering there already was a big move? Yes, if I get a setup, I will trade it. Prayers if you're in shorts. Yeah. This type of... Okay, can't talk. This type of market and this type of move. Very tough to pinpoint the exact reversal. There's a lot of momentum. Is your trading view also delayed compared to broker charts? Maybe slightly. Maybe like by a second. Hold on, gotta let my dog in. You did? Oh, okay. Go back out there. All right. Morning, Arash. Bros trading no news Monday. I don't know why people think trading no news is bad. I like trading no news. It means that I'm not going to have random explosions that are untradeable. I mean, I guess we're getting that right now, but you know what I mean. Let me get the watermark on for you guys so I don't get the same question every 5 seconds. Alright, now you can see what I'm trading. QQQ isn't at all-time highs. That's because QQQ trades different hours, so the price can be quite different looking. Futures trade, what is it, 24/6? QQQ trades 9:30 to 4 p.m. 5 days a week. Falco, you're draining me with these questions. How often do you review and audit your trades, and what metrics do you track? Well, the benefit of streaming every single trading session that I do is that I can review them every day. So I review my trades pretty much every day. And an audit to me is the same thing as a review. I mean, it's not too often that I'll wait 1 second. Okay. Only if I'm underperforming will I go and I'll look back at like all my streams, and I'll check out all my trades. And I just did that recently, actually, because I was getting annoyed. Something felt wrong. I wasn't maximizing what I think I could maximize, so I went and reviewed all my trades, and then I shared that data with the course members. And so now my strategy, I tweaked my strategy just a little bit. Has to do with the risk management, a little more aggressive with the risk management. What we waiting for? Nothing right now. Thank God I got out of this. Yeah, keep your losses small. Keep your stop losses small. See, this is what I always talk about. It's like, if you're shorting this, you may as well go big or go home, right? Like, you may as well try to catch a move like this. And then if you get stopped out here, you know, it's a small loss. But people will do something like this, and then they'll think that they're giving their trade room to breathe, and then they'll still get stopped out. Like, you're going to get, if it's a bad trade, you're going to get stopped out. Whether it's a small stop or a big stop. My dog is like sniffing. What is going on? She's like under the door, just sniffing aggressively. What we waiting for? Jump in, baby. Yeah. Honestly, this thing is getting insanely overbought. Look at this. We're way above 2 standard deviations now. Last question, can I be your friend? You're all my friends. We're one big family, guys. One big... Traders gotta stick together, you know what I mean? That's... Look at the volume on this candle is almost as much as opening bell volume, which is crazy. Not sure what is sparking this massive move higher. Stocks tick higher as traders await big tech earnings. So let me guess. YM? Yep. Dow Jones is moving lower. S&P also moving higher, but I guess that's because they have some tech. But I guess that makes sense. If we're big tech earnings, then yeah, okay. Guess we're waiting on earnings. Great. Good to know. You guys know this is the most boring price action for me. Is this a new historic high? Yeah. This is an all-time high. You did pretty well on my questions today. Most traders end live because of you. What? god, this is boring. Why did NQ just skyrocket? Because apparently we're waiting on earnings. Tech earnings. Big tech earnings. Pull out the chess. I haven't played chess in a minute. Maybe I'll pull it out. I'm asking ChatGPT what tech earnings are this week. Do you guys say ChatGPT or ChatGBT? I always say ChatGBT, even though it's PT. All right, we got Google earnings, Tesla earnings, IBM earnings, Intel earnings, SAP earnings, Enphase earnings. But no earnings today from what I see. According to ChatGPT. I always say GBT, like, because you say it so quickly. I feel like it's easier to say GBT than GPT. ChatGPT, 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 ChatPT, ChatPT, ChatPT. See, I can't say that. ChatGPT, 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 ChatGPT. But you can say ChatGPT super fast. Maybe I'm just on the spectrum or something. You think we're going to reverse soon? There's no way to tell. I wish I could tell. But we're at all-time highs. So it's not like we have anything above us. So right now it's just a waiting game, pretty much. Olivier. Thank you for sharing the live. The tick chart looks like it's starting to break down a little bit. That was a pretty big candle there. It's easier just to say grok. That's true. Yeah, ChatGPT is kind of a terrible name. What are you waiting for? Why do people keep asking me that? What do you mean, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for the market to not go straight up. It's okay not to trade, guys. It's okay. I'm waiting for my setup. Where do you even place take profits on all-time highs? I would probably just be trailing. Just trail the massive candles. Honestly, as I've traded my strategy more and more, I focus less on targets and more of just risk management. You never know where the price is gonna go. You just gotta maximize the movement that you do get. Take as much money as you can. And anyone that says they know where price is gonna go is lying. Your YouTube is behind, I think? God dang it. Let me see how delayed it is. Let me see how delayed it is. Oh wow, it's very delayed. Where price is gonna... Oh wow, it's very delayed. Dang, man, it's really delayed. Crap. I don't know how to fix that. Anybody know how to fix that? Surely someone out of the 200 people watching right now can tell me. Bro, what's your strat? Because you missed a good entry 30 minutes ago. I'm not even going to answer that question. TikTok chat is so funny. I might download TikTok just for your chat. Yeah. It is quite entertaining until it really makes me annoyed and then I have to minimize it. Why are people always so worried about other people's setup? I know. It's strange, isn't it? But it's only on TikTok. It's only on TikTok, I've noticed. They'll come in and say, dude, you should have taken this setup. There was an obvious setup. We all got different setups, man. And then if I lose a trade, oh wow, all hell goes loose. Bro, what are you doing? You're lost. Remember? Somebody said that. I lost a trade. And someone just said, this guy's lost. One trade. I lost one trade, and then I made it back to the very next trade. And then they were silent. It's just crazy. And then, of course, we can't forget the guy that said he would bet 10K on a trading challenge to trade... Or a trade, what's the word? Like a trade battle. He said he would put 10K on it, that he would beat me because he's a professional, which I don't care. Like, if you can trade better than me, I don't, what? I don't care. Go ahead. But then he never DM'd me. I told him to DM me. He never DM'd me. How come my chart on TradingView has a massive gap at market open and yours doesn't? Just refresh. It's a TradingView thing. It happens to me too. Just refresh and it'll fix itself most of the time. Look at 15-minute candle. Yeah, it's just straight up. There's not much I can do in this type of market. I may adjust this zone to here. I think that might be the better zone. It's a little wide, but that's all right. Also, mark out that low. All right, are we finally going to get a reversal? This is looking like we're getting a little bit heavier. BRB. All right. I know we are not RSI traders, but it's showing a divergence. I believe it. It's looking heavier now. Could be the top here. If I had bigger kahunas, I would probably be shorting. But not worth it to me. Kaya. Come here. Trying to show you guys the dog reveal. She's not coming. Alrighty. Sorry guys, not much I can do here. Now we're going right back up. How do I get into trading? Guys, the link in my bio on TikTok has all the resources you could ask for. Free bootcamp, free course, free Discord, paid course if you really need it, but don't buy that until you're done with the free stuff. See, this is why I don't short, guys. It's always so risky. Look at the volume on this candle. This actually... This actually could be the top here. Let's see. A little bit higher maybe, but I mean when you get high volume like that, it's usually a sign of the end of a move. Really don't think I'm strong. Ooh, look at that. We got 58 viewers on YouTube. That may be a record for, well, it's definitely not a record for all time, but the most recent streams. Welcome, welcome. Sorry you guys are joining on a little bit of a boring day where we're only going up. Like I said, this could be the kind of blow off top move. And TikTok, if you're not on the YouTube, you see a lot more than what you see out right now. Because on TikTok, I'm stuck to this, right? YouTube is this. And also make sure you join the free Discord, of course. And watch the free bootcamp. This is when you pull out the chess. Yeah, I know. I just got to be in the chess mood. Right now I'm kind of entertained by watching this price just keep going higher. Roman, thanks for following. Alright, so massive volume candle there. The next candle over was slightly bearish. I can't imagine we go much higher. Maybe a little bit higher, but I mean, going much higher than this would be surprising, given everything that we're seeing. Your YouTube is like 3 minutes behind. Yeah, dude, somebody has to know. How do I fix that? Because it shouldn't be that behind. It's compounding as the stream goes. Oh, God. Oh, God. before it was like 30 seconds. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it was like 30 seconds. You're saying it's 3 minutes now? God dang it, man. It's compounding as the stream goes. Oh, God. Well, no, it's still like 30 seconds behind for me. It's because I'm using Restream. It's like a platform that lets you stream to everywhere, basically. And I think they kind of make it behind. Ask ChatGPT. You know what? You're right. I honestly should ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, yes. Switch YouTube to ultra low latency. Let's see if I can do that. I don't think I'm strong enough. By the way, guys, like the stream. If you want to support for free, just tapping your screen on TikTok and liking the stream on YouTube. The easiest way to help blow up the channel, get more people in the community, get more funny people to talk to, get more annoying comments on the TikTok. 8 seconds for you. Interesting. I'm going to check it out right now. Wow, this price just farts around, does nothing. Alright. Stream's current bitrate is lower than recommended. Okay. So that may be why we're delayed. Yeah, we're not at ultra latency. Or ultra low latency. Okay. Let me write this down. I'll fix this. I can't fix it right now because I'm in the middle of the stream and it doesn't let me change it. But I'll write it down. Still going higher, wow. Again, I can't imagine it goes that much higher. If we do go much higher, it should be like a blow off top kind of situation. Like a high volume, massive wick candle is what I would imagine if we really do go higher. This is actually crazy. Price is absolutely just flat. While price does nothing, I'm trying to fix the stream for you guys. Okay, so it looks like I'm not going to be able to fix it while I'm live. But I'm still figuring out what to do once I'm not live. Are we going to move down? That's my dog. Okay, I think I know how I'm gonna fix this. I think I got the right. I think I got the right instructions. All right, we're finally getting a high volume candle lower. I would imagine we start getting some kind of movement down. Let's see. Although I've been saying that for a while, but this is like typical all-time high price action. You just kind of chop around, slowly grind higher. Your mic is choppy? God dang it. Is my mic choppy, guys? Like I said, I just moved, so still getting in the groove. No? All right.
Kaya kaya.
I can see the dinosaur forming. The floor level is just too high. There's a slight buzz. That is probably my computer. I can lower my gain a little bit. That might help, but... Okay, right back up we go. Oh my god, is today going to be that boring kind of day? Let me know if that's... Oh, now that's too high. God dang it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. At least we're getting some volume back. At least we're seeing volume. With volume, we can trade. With no volume, it becomes quite hard. No, your mic is not choppy. It's like 5 seconds for me. All right, next stream, it should be fixed. Next stream, it should be like real time, from what I understand, from the stuff that I just looked at. TikTok, I think it is like real time, which is ironic that YouTube is slower than TikTok. But this is a liquidity stack. Yes. Yes, it is. I would be very surprised if we just go up all day and don't take out any lows. We should break these lows. Oh my god. So boring. So boring. Patience. Now, if I really wanted to get all the live stream viewers, I would just be in a trade every second of every minute of every hour. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should just go on paper trading and just place trades. Just to keep the stream engaging. Galaxy if you short. Ooh, you know what? I mean, this is not a bad short right here. That looks like a nice... I might short this with one contract for fun. Galaxy or not. I'm very bored right now. This thing looks heavy. Let's see. I'm going to try a tiny little short with one contract. And then we'll just risk off the highs. Did not get a great entry, but let's see. For fun. I know that pisses TikTok off. For funsies. Looks heavy, but we are at all-time highs, so this thing could come back down. I mean, could come back up. It's hard trading all-time highs. It's still being bought up right now. Still being bought up. We should see a push lower right about now, if I had to guess. Come on. It's looking like it wants to go. It's getting bought back up. Okay. Slip. Slip. No, bought back up. Dang. Come on. Slip. There we go. All right. Good selling pressure. I'll go to a break even because this is for fun. Explain why you shorted. It's really just a high volume candle that took out the highs. That's the only reason. This is not a setup that I would normally take. This is just for entertainment purposes. One contract. What's your Discord link? It should be in the description. It's looking quite heavy. I don't know if I'll survive the break even. It might come tag me break even. But once again, it's for fun. High volume candle that took the highs. We are at all-time highs, bro. Tell me something I don't know. Now, technically, oop, we may have an order zone here. A bullish order zone. It does look like an order zone to me. So if we do come down lower, maybe I'll get an opportunity to go long there. This is very slow price action. You can definitely tell there's not a lot of volume today. Alright, this is going to take me out. Or is it? Yeah, alright. Alright, well, better than a losing trade for fun. Now this is when you want to short. Once you get that blow off top, like I was talking about, I said this like, I don't know what, 20 minutes ago? If we do go much higher, it's probably going to be some crazy wick candle with a lot of volume. This should be, I've been saying it all stream, but this is usually the signs of a top. The toppiest top I've seen so far. Trump criticized the Fed. Yeah, who knows? Talk about a good break-even trade, geez. That was definitely stop losses getting hit right there. Just taking everyone out. Liquidity taken. Hey, come here. Oh, come up here. Do you enter a sell when you hit break even? That was a buy because I was short, so technically I bought. Don't look at that guy. My dog is like staring right into the bright lights that are behind me. Come up here. Come up here. Say hi. Hi. If I had to guess, once again, this is probably a good area for shorts. Will I short for fun again? Probably not. What kind of mix is your dog? Apparently a pit bull chihuahua. I'm not sure if the chihuahua part is true. But definitely a pit bull mutt of some kind. Carolina dingo? No, nothing fancy like that. This is actually my girlfriend's dog. She would know more than me. Applying W's and M's, I would be thinking this is going to go down hard, combined with liquidity stack. Yes, Alex, one of the course members, is saying that we should go down hard based off of the lessons he learned in the course, so hopefully we do. Hopefully it pays off. But I do agree. I mean, there's a lot of room down and not so much room up. Golden Retriever Rottweiler mix. Wow. coffee cup is like hissing. Okay. So we've already seen that blow off top candle, right? That should be the top. If we get past those highs, I might just not even trade today, because that would just be crazy. I mean, I can't trade a market that just keeps going up. So if I had to guess, if I had to make another guess, I would imagine we're going to get a very quick wick down into this order zone, and then a very quick move back into the range here. That's what my gut is telling me. And remember, your gut is just your experience. So this method worked for Forex. I haven't tried it on Forex. It should, theoretically. It's all based on logic. I always say it's a logic forward strategy. Logic forward strategy. Logic first. If it doesn't make logical sense, then I don't trade it. That's why I stopped trading Fibonacci levels. Doesn't make perfect logical sense. You can use it as a measuring tool, but I wouldn't use it as an entry tool. Do you have a GTA YouTube? What makes you think I have a GTA YouTube? I'm going long. Godspeed, Alex. New background I see. Nice to see. Let me know if you guys prefer this background. I can keep it. I mean, it's not really... it's not really as professional or nice, but... I do still have the wall panels, the black wall panels. I was going to make it like a really nice background with charts and stuff. But if you guys like just a plain old white background, I can keep that too. It might be a different Alex skull. It might be a different Alex. Are y'all finding sells too? We are more short bias right now. I'm not taking any trades. I'm waiting for a buy down here, but right now we are. I would say we are waiting for a drop. Old one was cooler, in my opinion. Thank you for the feedback. I do not take it personally. You can let me know what you prefer. I think I prefer the old background too, especially after what I'm going to do. Or at least I'm going to try to do. Guys, remember, if you're not in the free Discord, make sure to join the free Discord. That's where we have funny conversations, talk about trading. You can ask questions. I'm active on there every single day. And then we also have a free boot camp on the YouTube channel. 100% free. Just go to the playlist section. It's the only playlist there. Watch the free boot camp. And I promise you, it'll be better than any other course you've ever bought, and it's free. I don't explain how I make my zones on stream, because if I did that, I would do that 100 times a day, because people ask all the time. So I can't do it on stream. That's why I'm saying just go watch the free course and join the free Discord, because all your questions will be answered there. And we're going back up. We got 73 people on the YouTube today. Look at that. I'm proud of you guys. Is your strategy tailored to futures, or would it be good for spot gold or indices? Forex? It definitely works on indices, because that's what I trade. I haven't tried it on Forex. But like I said earlier, it's a logical strategy. It should work on basically anything, because it's based off of orders and supply and demand. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I can't trade this price action. I swear, if for the 5 seconds I'm gone, this does what I just said it was going to do, which is a strong wick down and then back up, I may quit. I may have to quit. But since it's going up right now, I'll be right back. I'm just going to get my dog something to chew on. Okay. Strategy wouldn't work on that well for low volume markets. Yes, I agree. You need a session where there's a lot of participants. You need participants in the market for the strategy to work the best way, to be as effective as possible. Okay, so let me focus on, let me get ready here in case we see a big move. Something tells me we're gonna see a big move come out of nowhere, and I'm gonna have to be ready for it. I think I'm only interested in this zone right now. Technically, you kind of have an order zone right here. But I don't think, if we do start moving lower, I don't think we're going to stop right there. I think we're going to have to take out a couple levels. We're going back to these highs, which is crazy. May see a liquidity sweep of these highs. A little bit of an increase in volume. I really would be surprised if we just keep going after this high. I'm already surprised that we're back to these highs, but like I said, we might need to sweep that wick there, take out stop losses once again, and then finally see a move down. What was it, Friday, last Friday or last Thursday? Remember when price action was kind of like this? It was just like super slow, but then all of a sudden you would get a massive move. And then it would go back to being slow, and then all of a sudden again, big massive move. Andre, thank you for the heart. Thank you, my friend. I'm using the same strategy and works well on crypto. Good to know. See, this is why I benefit from helping some of you with the strategy. You let me know where it works. The NQ already took out those highs? Did it? Oh, wow. Yeah, the charts are very different right now. Sorry if you hear my dog. He's chewing on something. On a cow knuckle. I'm curious to see if MNQ highs behave different than NQ highs. What's the strat? Again, I can't explain the strat because every time I get that question so often. So just check out the link in my bio. You'll see a free Discord, a free bootcamp, and a paid course if you really need it. But I always say, don't buy the course. Just go watch the free bootcamp. And then if you want extra help, then you can look at the course. But there's a free bootcamp that explains pretty much everything. And then there's the free Discord as well, where you can ask questions and stuff. Now, if you do get the paid course, there's a course members area. So you get like priority support. But yeah, free bootcamp is the best place to start. Andre, thank you for the what's up. Hate it when the charts are different for the same indices. Yeah, that is pretty annoying. Because now it's like you're trading the same thing, but there's two different charts for the same exact thing, basically. So, what's there to do? At least the The order zones are about the same. How long have you been trading? You wouldn't believe me if I told you. I'm curious to see what happens at these highs. Start saying been trading since I was in diapers. Yeah, that's what people say anyways, so may as well. Sorry if that's loud, guys. I didn't realize my dog would be chewing so loudly. She's going crazy on that bone. How much money you made today? Just look at the screen, man. Just a small little break-even trade on one contract for fun. I have yet to get an actual setup so far. Just waiting. Do you have set times you go live? I'm live every day, 9:30 to around noon Eastern Standard Time. Plus $1 easy. Is it that loud? Dog ASMR? May have to remove her from the room. I know breakout traders are probably loving this. I don't know what I'm looking at. Well, then start learning. And now we got landscapers outside. This is a loud, noisy stream. Put your dog on camera. I did earlier. Right now I can't. She's busy destroying a bone. Making kind of a mess. Gold? Gold just goes up, goes more up than the stock market. Gold only go up. What's your model? Check the link in the bio, check the description. Wherever you are, you'll see the free Discord free course. I explain everything in great detail. Do you just trade New York session? Yes. This is so boring. Full port gold and come back 10 years later. Yeah, gold. Gold used to not move at all. Like, look at this period from 2020 to 2024. Like, that was 4 years of basically a range. And then prior to that, we had this, which was like 2013 to 2019. Just pretty much chop. So it used to not be a big mover. But past few weeks past few years, it's just gone up. Gold is ripping. Yeah, gold tends to do that. I'm invested in gold on my longer term portfolio. Ooh, this is a nice little consolidation breakout. Can we please get some movement? Can I get a French onion soup, please? If you know, you know. Zentique, thank you for the rose. Have you lost money in the past week? No. Knock on wood. Here is my latest Take Profit Trader eval. As you guys know, I'm stacking funded accounts before I trade them all. Hopefully I'm not doxing myself. So you can see I've only had one red day in this account so far. Oh, moving. Now that we've moved higher, I may consider this. Potentially. A little hard to focus with this dog chewing. But I'll prevail. What's your longest win streak? I don't even know, to be honest. Might be right now, honestly. I think it's been no. No, actually no. I think I've had like a month of straight green before. That was a long time ago. I've always wondered if I just run a poll and ask you guys, buy or sell, and then if I just do the exact opposite of what the poll result is, would that be a viable trading strategy? No offense to you guys, but as we know, what a majority of the people think it's going to do, it doesn't do. It does the opposite. Or you could just ask me and do the opposite. Skull, you've been watching too long to still be struggling. Lock in. Trade the strat. Follow the way. Not financial advice, of course. Just my opinion. That would be a fun stream. Do that. I might do that. I might do that one stream. Maybe I'll get buy an eval, an Apex eval for cheap, you know? And then we just full port the opposite of what anyone says to do. But also, if you guys know that I'm going to do the opposite of what you say, then you might vote the opposite of what you think. You know what I mean? So, I would have to find a sneaky way of doing it. There can't be any bias. Okay, we're finally getting some kind of move lower. There is tons of liquidity. Course members, you know what this is. As Alex pointed out. Which does make me suspicious of going long here, because I do think we're going to need to take out a couple levels. It's probably going to happen quickly. By the way, if you're on YouTube watching this, or TikTok, The best way to get notified when I'm live streaming is by turning on notifications and liking the stream. If you engage with the stream in some way, the algorithm will be like, oh, they like this. And then it'll show you when I'm live every day. Especially TikTok. TikTok, the For You feed is like, it's basically whoever you just engage and watch the most, right? So if you want to get my lives popping up on your For You page, your For You feed, you need to like engage. And also it's very nice to help the channel. God, I'm sorry for the bones, Ewan, guys. Adam, thank you for the rose. You are the best trader that live streams. Thank you. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. I have been trading pretty dang good lately. Past few months. Alright, let's see what happens here. We're finally going to try to break the first low that we've broken basically since the market opened. So there's that first low getting broken. Now I would expect a little bit of a capitulation here. Or maybe we just go right back to all-time highs. Thank you, Skull, for the reverse jinx. A, thank you for the rose. Just A. This chewing. I'm sorry, guys. I can't move her right now because I'm trying not to miss this trade if it does happen. Have you taken a trade today? I have taken one contract for fun, and it was a small short, and it was a break-even trade. No full-sized real trades yet. Still waiting for that. Got a lot of zones, to be honest. Not gonna trade that, I don't think. Got close, but no cigar. That's a strong rejection. Did not quite get it. Oh. That's a strong rejection back down. I'm holding off for now. Okay, I'm going to try it. My gut tells me this may be a bad idea, but we'll try this zone out. If it fails, then we'll just go to the next zone. ATR is only 7 points. Looks like we might need to go a little bit lower before we actually see it pop. Yeah, this is looking like we're going to go lower. Oh, no. There's no buying. There's no buying. This is looking like a loser. But let's see if we can get saved by the bell. Now there's some small buying. Ooh. No, no buying. Yeah, dang it. There's a lot of selling pressure right now. Okay. One loser. I may consider re-entering, but we'll see. We'll see how it behaves here. Wow, that's just... Oh, let's see. In hindsight, probably should wait for a little more volume confirmation. I'm gonna try again here. I saw some buying, but it may have been a fake out. It's looking like it was a fake out. God dang it, man. We need a massive push here. Otherwise, this is probably just going to sweep all the way down lower to the next zone. Yeah, man. Every push higher is getting very strongly rejected right now. Very strongly rejected. We need an FU candle to the upside, but I don't know if we'll get it. Yeah, oh my god. That is just insane rejection. Alright, sweep of the demand low there should provide some liquidity. Or not. God dang. The sellers are ruthless right now. Yeah, look at the volume, guys. There's just no volume here. Oh my god, there's a fly buzzing around me. I got a dog chewing. This is not optimal trading conditions right now. That was a... Look at my stop loss. Perfect bottom tick. Bottom tick stop loss. Casual. While the dog chews in my ear and a fly buzzes around me, and then I bottom tick stop loss. One of those days, guys. We will never be able to avoid days like today. Let's see if we can get a re-entry. Still no volume on the day as well. Still zero volume on these candles. This is probably the last trade I can take on this zone before I hit my 3 strikes you're out rule. Dog still chewing. This is a very irritating day. So let's see if we can make the best of it here. Here's the tick chart. Come on, it's all-time highs, guys. Just blindly buy. There's a fly buzzing around my head. Dog chewing. It's impossible to focus right now. Really? I can't focus right now, guys. I actually can't focus right now. My brain is just out of it right now. We're down 123 on the main account. That's not too bad. Josh, thank you for the roses. Thank you for the hearts. Sorry I couldn't see that prior. Today's a pretty tough day with this volume. There's just no volume on anything. No real strong moves. I might have to put headphones in or something to calm myself. So I've traded this zone 1, 2, 3. I've traded the zone 3 times. I normally don't want to trade a zone more than 3 times because the zone should hold relatively quickly. If I see some kind of confirmation of a high volume candle or something, maybe I'll try it again, but this choppiness is a little bit difficult. Holding your short. Interesting. Short entered at 420. Oh, wow. Very nice. Does look like we want to go down in here. Trying again because I saw some buying, but this market has been quite fakey. So I might be very aggressive with my risk management here. Because every time it looks like buyers are stepping in, they kind of just fall away magically. I said it's one of my rules to not trade a zone more than 3 times, but this was an exception. I saw some buying coming in, and I knew that it would likely be at least a break-even trade. Sometimes you got to know when to break the rules. Now, if this comes all the way back down to break-even, I'm 100% done with this trade. Or with this zone, I mean. Because we did take out this low right here. So sometimes you will see a retest of the zone, take out some liquidity before it actually moves. So that's my thesis, but this looks like it's going to be a break-even trade. Which definitely, when you see zones, the order zones struggling to hold, sometimes it's best to just not even trade. Like, just wait for the only best order zone you see, like the strongest order zone. Just wait for that and don't even bother trading the other ones, because like you can almost tell when a day is going to be good or bad just based off of how price is reacting in the zones. Yeah, this thing's going to come right back down. It's just not moving. Oh, you going to move? You gonna make a decision? Right back down. Just cannot move out of this area. Okay, done trading the zone. Clearly the zone is not working. And if it moves up after this, will I be annoyed? Yes. But it is what it is. Can't chop around the zone forever and just keep getting stopped out for break-evens or small losses. I'd rather just wait for another zone to get tested, which is annoying. I mean, I wish I could just freaking get the move that I want, but it's not happening. It's not happening. Play a game. I'm in the middle of trading, man. Oh, whoops. I don't have this. There you go. Now you guys can see my red day so far. So far. Will we make a comeback? Stay tuned. I just got chopped to death in this zone. Oh, that is an interesting candle there. That may be worth trading. See, oh my god, dude. It's like when the market makes its move, it happens so quickly you can't even catch it. That was a very strong candle there. Very strong candle. Let me see if it touched this area. NQ, where's NQ at? Okay. Looking at this zone. We tagged below that low. A lot of volume. I'm gonna wait probably for lower here. Your dog has not stopped with that bone for 45 minutes. I know. I'm never doing that again. I thought I would be nice and let her stay in the office and chew her bone. Come on, a little bit lower, NQ. A little bit lower, please. Can't answer questions, guys. I'm sorry. I gotta focus here. Well, most of your questions can be answered with the link in the description or in my bio. Free Discord, free bootcamp, all free. Free, free, free. high volume candle into that low there. Not quite into the zone yet, so I have to be patient. Which is okay. It's just a little bit annoying that I lost twice. One of them being a bottom tick stop loss. Quite literally the bottom tick. That is very annoying. Really? Is this what we're gonna do? We're gonna reverse this. Ignore the zone, take out this low and reverse? Is that what we're gonna do today? Holy crap, I'm gonna have to move my dog. Oh, she's also making a giant mess. Wow. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Jesus, man. One of these days, you guys are going to see me rage and destroy my entire table setup. I can feel it. It'll come eventually. Violation detected. End live to avoid suspension. Nice one, bro. Nice one. Buy a punching bag? That is not a bad idea. It was a fake comment skull. Yeah, I can't focus like this. This is really bad. Okay. You wanna come back up here? Come here. No. All right, well, just waiting on another move lower. Not sure if we're gonna get it. Might just go right back to all-time highs. Really annoying. Missed my zone by a couple ticks. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I'm so sorry. I need to, there's like a bunch of bone stuff all around. 1 second. In fact, I'm gonna mute myself because I'm gonna have to vacuum this. All right. Very hectic day for me today. Come here. Come here. Come here. You okay? She's too cute to be mad at. Okay. Look at the charts, Gaia. Should we buy or sell? Okay. Looks like we're gonna move lower. Let's see if this will be the time we get the sweep down here. Oh yeah, me leaving to vacuum tanked the TikTok viewers. The attention span on TikTok is noticeably different. All right. Big push down, please. Oh, sorry, guy. Today has been a record day on both TikTok and YouTube, though, which is interesting. It's been a very boring day, too, so not sure what that's all about. Let's see if we can get a move lower. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Is this the Solar Star strat? Solar strat? No. Not sure what that is. Okay. Can we get a move there? Now watch all this waiting just to get a loser. That's the beauty of trading. You can wait patiently and still, when the trade comes, still lose. It happens. You must be calm. I don't do a great job of that, but I need like a destroy room. You know those destroy rooms? I just need one daily. Or like have one just in case it's like a really annoying red day. Just go in there and destroy everything. That strategy got me 110% win rate. Impressive. So you won 110 trades out of 100. Wow. All right, right back up we go. Up we go. Maybe No News Monday is bad to trade. Maybe I've got it all wrong. Personally like to take my trades based on Jupiter and the NASA alignment. Yeah, you know, they recently discovered a new planet, so make sure to update your strategy. Gaia. I don't know what the dog doing. No lie, there was some dude who made millions off of astrology. Maybe. I mean, the thing is, like, you take a billion people trading or whatever. A billion's exaggerating, but like, you're gonna find a few outliers that just, like, you can make money randomly by throwing darts at a board, right? Like, there's, if you had a million people trading, and all of them just threw darts at a board to decide whether they were gonna buy or sell, at least one of them would make millions, just out of pure probabilities and randomness. You know what I mean? God, today's price action really is terrible. Just very, very low volume, choppy moves. My strategy is to take loss, stop profit. Feels that way sometimes, huh? Ah, man, I keep accidentally minimizing this. There you go. Once again, you can see my beautiful red day. I do not know what you mean. Was it confusing? This is going to be a long day at the rate we're going. That is so loud. Holy crap, stop. Alright guys, TikTok, this is for you. We got Subway Surfers now. So hopefully you guys stay on. This is maximum retention right now. Max dopamine maxing. We're just going up. There's nothing for me to do. This is what I'm resorting to. Subway's Surfers. This is what you gotta do. Pretty cracked at Subway Surfers. Oh, right. Can't give up on chess that fast. I'm not giving up on chess. Mind reset. Oh my god, dude. Really took 2 losses. One which was just bottom tick. Should have been a break-even trade. Stopped me out. Bottom tick, then reversed. One real loser, one kind of bad luck loser, I would say. But nonetheless, 2 losers, and now we're just doing nothing. Play CSGO. I don't have CSGO. And from the little that I've played, I'm not very good at it. Na 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 na. CS2 now, not CSGO. Oh, my bad. Thanks for your time. No problem, Outrageous Trader. Sorry I couldn't put up a Green Day today, it seems. Great band. Is it worth it to start if you have no idea about trading? No. Learn first. Don't just go in trying to trade without knowing anything about trading. Would you go and try to perform surgery without going to medical school? Play DayZ. That's something I could get behind. But the problem is, DayZ, you need the entire screen. You can't play minimize DayZ. And also, it may make my computer explode to play DayZ, trade, and live stream at the same time. Ben has a question about an order zone. Ben, I would say it's technically valid, but I would just, like I said, like today, I just wait for the main zones, right? Like the very clear, obvious big lows, obvious low here, obvious demand there, you know. I'd rather just wait for that, not try to trade this chop, right? Like you're trading inside of this zone, or inside of this chop. So trying to enter down here, Ben asked the question if this is a zone right here. I think that's what it is, right? Might be on different charts. No? Same chart. He asked if this is a zone. Technically, yes. Technically. But it's in this chop. I rather wait, like, and it's a very small low there. Like that low is just one candle, and that demand level is very small. I rather wait for this big move from here, and this big low here. That's very obvious, which it looks like we're not going to. Have I tested this strategy with gold? No, but feel free to. A little bit of a bearish order zone there. It might actually be an interesting short. Although you are definitely counter trend trading if you're shorting there. But who knows? We shorted in the past couple streams. And we've been honestly seeing more winners, I think, from shorting than buying. Maybe? Do you use the RSI indicator? I used to, not as much lately. I don't think it's bad, but I just don't think I need it in my trading. What a boring day, guys. Oh my god. Got 20 people on Twitter watching right now. That is interesting. Or maybe that's 20 people total that have seen this stream. Dang, look at this. Starship booster recovered from the sea. That is massive. Jesus. I may short up here if we get a good rejection. Because I think we need to make a bigger, see, like that, exactly. I was about to say, we need to make a bigger move in either direction. Because we were moving way too slow. Took out some orders. Took out some orders. I'm just watching price right now. Seeing if this is worth a short. Ooh. Boom, break even. Look at that. Shorts have been working out lately. Now, it may just come and tag me for break even. Honestly, yeah. Okay. Oh my god, today is so freaking choppy. Yeah, spoke too soon, Skull. Spoke too soon. I'm kind of getting the hang of shorting. I think the key to shorting is kind of waiting longer and just entering as it's starting to go down instead of trying to catch it on the way up. My shorting does need some work. God dang it. I think I'm going to try it again. This no volume price action is just very tough to read right now. There's just nothing going on. You get a move and then the market just dies out and starts just chopping. Yeah, this isn't looking too good. Looks like the buyers are stepping back in. Jesus Christ, man. Market only go up. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my stop loss above these highs. Not gonna let this come all the way back up. I'd rather just take a small loss there, because this thing is looking like it's about to explode back up. Yeah, right there. All right. God, today sucks, man. There's just no follow through on any of the moves. Can we get some follow through is the question. And no, we cannot. It wants to go. You can tell it wants to go, but it's very hard to actually catch when it's gonna go without getting chopped around first. Okay, that's looking better. Nope. Now it's just taking out liquidity on the downside and getting rejected back up. Should have went there. It really should have went there, but it did not. Dude, just make up your mind. Holy crap. I feel like this is every trading day in the last week. It's just been this slow choppiness. You can't make its mind up. Oh my god. Just go. Oh. My contact almost just fell out my eyeball. It wants to go, but it's just not. I can guarantee you at some point today we're going to see a big fat move lower. Should get down to here from my experience at least. The question is, will I be able to catch that move, or will I get chopped to death? Like, look, it wants to go. You can see it in the price action. It wants to go. Okay, we're going. No, we're not. Yes, we are. No, we're not. Yes, we are. No, we're not. Are we going? Are we staying? What are we doing? What are we doing, NASDAQ? I would really like to see a strong close lower on this candle, and we are reversing right back up. Oh my god, sometimes I hate trading, man. The choppiness, the chop of all chops right now. This is gonna take me out. Unbelievable, dude. Just cannot get follow through on any freaking move, dude. Back into the range we go. Now I just gotta sit here and wait again. It's 11:46. I may have to just call the stream here, guys. It may not even be worth trying to trade this, because it's just chopping around. Mercy says nice P&L. Get banned, Mercy. If you get in again, I'll actually laugh. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get in again. I'm just getting chopped around. It's not worth trading when there's chop. And I'm telling you guys, this is going to go lower. It's impossible to hold the trade long enough, at least with my strategy right now, to actually see that happen. I won longs today. Nice. Longs were definitely winning today. Right now it's just chop. Just chop. Do you trade futures? Pooh Strat. Oh, we got some TikTok commenters. The TikTok commenters have found the YouTube channel, guys. Go watch my last 500 live streams where I'm green. I'm gonna have to put you guys in timeout. You guys are being naughty. Put them in timeout. Timeout for the naughty little boys. Oh, Alex, you want to join them? Timeout for you too. You need to fix that SEO. Yeah, so everybody's timed out. We will not have the TikTok comments over on YouTube. I won't be able to take it. The rage. A lot of volume in this candle here. Might be getting ready for a big move. Who knows anymore with the PA today? Was the price action only up today? Yes. Up until it wasn't. And now just chop. Look at these wicks. Just chop. Taking out stop losses on every side. By NAS? What is NAS? Oh, NASDAQ. Yes, yes. Very funny, very funny. You make anything today. Stream is much better here than on TikTok. Screen is wider. I know, I try to tell TikTok. YouTube's better. But they like their TikTok. This move here did not even take out lows. It just a nothing burger down. Which means that there's still plenty of reason that we should go lower. There is all this liquidity. All resting down here. Look at all these lows. These are gonna get got, I'm telling you. They will be got. Wanted to get short there, but it's just not giving any pullback. All right. Well, oh. Surely we're not gonna bounce all the way back up. We're not gonna do that, right? Right, market? There's just no way. There's liquidity all below you right now. Those stop losses are all below you. Not a lot of selling pressure, though. Come on, you son of a... Come on! Lower, 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 lower. Where'd my stop loss go? Where'd my stop loss go? Why is my stop loss just gone? What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? Come on. One big push. One big push lower. Okay. Close out of everything. Hello? Flatten everything. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, we are not flat on everything. Hello? Flatten. There goes the software glitches. Right on time. Right on cue. That's okay. What? Oh, yeah, okay. All right, yeah, I'm still down on the day, but that was a nice trade. 15 trade. All right. I miss the old audience I had. Maybe I don't want new viewers. I feel like that should have been a bigger trade than it was. I'm a little confused how we're still down. I guess I did take a couple. What did I do? Yeah, I did have a few losses, I guess, but much smaller red day now than before. Just got to be less emotional. Meditation. How long have you been watching the streams? Matter of fact, everybody who's commenting something negative, how long have you been watching the streams? Usually when people comment something negative, they haven't been watching the streams very long. That's why I'm asking. Green. Green FN. Two winning trades. Wipes out 4. 4? 5? Now that sell is probably too early. Knowing me, yeah, not ideal, but today was a very hard day for price action trading. You see? We always come back. We always come back. I love it. I love the hate. It feeds me. Oh my God, bro. Gilbert, come here. All right. It's already noon. I'm usually done trading by noon. Basically a break-even small green day. Would I have liked more? Sure, but crawled back from quite the few annoying losses. Now, this actually might be a decent trade to try. Do I want to try it? After such an annoying day? Maybe not. Ear grape? What did I do? Did I do something here? Job's not done till 200 plus. Job's not finished. Short this. All right, chat. Meditation, what do you think? The Trading God. Oh, I went too close to the mic, sorry. Meditation, the Trading God. All hail meditation. Where is price going? Volume? The volume is not low. It shouldn't be. Price only go up. Yes, that's right. Doggy. The dog's going crazy. This is when you buy, when you see a wick like that. God dang it, I was in the middle of writing something to someone. God dang. I got the worst timing, I swear. Meditation, I can't tell if you're trolling or not. I don't remember if you've been in this chat before. Does anybody recognize Meditation, or is he new? Watching for a long time. Yeah. But I don't know if I believe him. He seems like an expert troll. Long's in play now. All right, Franklin says Long's in play. I mean, I agree. I agree. I would have loved to buy on this sweep here. I was literally typing on Discord, and that happened. I could not get my finger to the trigger fast enough. But my finger's on the trigger now. Let's see. You will see a vid soon? What do you mean a vid? Dang it, I keep minimizing this. Why would you buy now? Okay, Meditation. It's getting old. Are you collaborating with any brokers? No. Wow, this thing is looking like it's going to go back to this low, potentially. Stop it, dog. Retested this demand low. Nice rejection there. High volume, well, relatively high volume. All right, see you, Meditation. Market only goes up. Yes, sir. Devin's in longs. Nice, Devin. How many trades today? What's up, Flux Charts? A lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trades. That's a nice long there on the retest of that low. Where did all these professional traders come from in this chat? It's because I hit the algo, I think. Today was I don't know, it was a weird day. We got a lot more viewers on TikTok and a lot more viewers on YouTube. I did just drop a video also that kind of did well on the YouTube algorithm, so I think there's just a bunch of new traders. A bunch of new viewers. And with new viewers comes new trolls who don't understand what I'm doing. Literally called it in chat for you guys. One attempt. V Hatcher, listen. I've been trading for a long time. I've seen many of you come and go. I'm not going to deal with it. Either be positive or I'm just going to block you. I don't care. Yeah, the trolls are on YouTube today, not TikTok, ironically. They're usually on TikTok. I'm one new in the channel. Yeah. Outrageous Trader, welcome. I'm helping you, bro. Okay. I don't need your help, all right? Thank you. But I don't need the help. You're not trying to help. You're being egotistical and annoying. You're trolling, bro. You're trolling. You can message me on Discord. I'm not looking to partner with any brokers, though, so if it's a broker offer, that I may not be interested. But my email and stuff is on the YouTube channel, as well as my Telegram, and I'm always active on Discord. All right. Sweep of these lows could be interesting. But we are way lower on this. We're kind of out of the zone now. So I don't know if I'm going to trade this. This was a nice buy here, but now that it's back down to those lows, not sure if it's worth it. We could sweep this and go higher, but I don't know if it's worth the risk. It's funny how everyone's got it figured out sometimes, right? Yeah, I know. It's this specific type of commenter. They all comment the same way, the same tone of voice. It's the same everything. It's always, I'm God, and I am trying to help you. I am trying to save you. Listen to me because I am literally the market maker. And then they get one trade right, which, by the way, you got a 50-50 shot, basically. Up or down. It's either going to move up or down. So you get these trolls that leave a comment, and then when they're right, I told you, oh my god, I'm the best trader ever. Who's the one live streaming their trades? And who's the one leaving comments about where they theoretically would buy and sell, and where they bought and sold? Go live. And we'll trade together. How about that? And then we'll see. And if you are a better trader, great. Great. Doesn't mean you can still be annoying and egotistical. You know? You know what I'm saying? Nice sweep of those lows. Very nice sweep of those lows. Okay, blocking you. I'm not dealing with this, bro. This is like, I don't have to do this. If you're gonna leave an annoying comment, I'm just gonna block you. Simple as that. Okay, Devin, blocking you. I don't care. I don't need these viewers. Like, I don't understand the logic behind leaving annoying comments. Would an order flow or footprint chart help identify reversals besides swing points, different time frames? How do you suss out where the orders? Yeah, so people have brought that up quite a bit. I do think it would help. I just have not used it enough to really have an opinion on it. The little that I have used it, I don't really see it working all that often. But I also think I don't have enough experience with it to judge. So it might be the next step in the strategy. You know, it might be the next kind of eureka moment for this strategy, but as of right now, I'm fine with my performance doing what I'm doing. Time and sales help me track absorption levels. Yeah, I've tried using it before. I just haven't really, because I feel like I just always see massive orders and then they just get blown right through, and I'm like, then what's the point of seeing that? Like, what? But I'm sure there's different ways of using it. Treat them like the bad trade that you. Yeah, I'm never dealing with that again. I thought it was trolling at first, which is why I was like laughing along, but then I realized that they're actually just annoying humans. Anybody who talks like that, saying that they're trying to help you and that they're an amazing trader and you should have listened to them, that's the main thing. If they say you should have listened to me, that's how you spot a bad trader. That's how you spot someone who's maybe on a good winning streak for like the past week, and now they're starting to feel themselves, and then they start going onto TikTok and start talking about how they are the way and they're the messiah. This is the type of trader that I'm always talking about. It's usually on TikTok, but today it's on YouTube. A good trader will tell you to trade what works, trade your own strategy, trade what you're comfortable with, trade good risk management, and that there is no such thing as the right strategy, the only one working strategy, blah, 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 blah. That's all bad trader talk. Everyone can make money trading with different, okay, I'm banning you, VHatcher. Sorry, bye. I'm just not dealing with it. I'm not dealing with it, guys. Yeah, I'm streaming on multiple platforms. That's why it might look like I'm talking to like nobody, but I'm just I'm talking to different platforms: TikTok, YouTube, or not Instagram, but TikTok, Twitter, Kick, Twitch, blah blah, all of those platforms. All right, guys, I don't really see another trade opportunity for me. The only other zone would be down in here, which there's no liquidity there anyways. So I don't know if I'm going to trade anymore today. Not the biggest, most amazing green day, but a green day nonetheless, at least. From a down day, So we went from down, what, like 170 on the main account. Probably was like down 400 or 300 on the other accounts, to being up a little bit. I'll take it. Now back to just us two in the chat. Everyone else is banned off the channel. Listen, we will find the positive, good traders, all right? We will find the good traders. They will come. As far as the... We don't want those people in the chat. I mean, maybe you guys do because it's a little entertaining. But my blood pressure can't handle seeing those type of people. They make me so mad. The best plays kind of already happened today. Yeah, the only other play would be down here, in my opinion. But I don't know if we're going to get there anytime soon. This is a 2-minute chart. Yes, Jose, I did find a way to fix the live stream. Tomorrow it should be in real time, as close to as real time as I think you can get. I'm not 100% if it's going to work, but I think I understand why it's delayed. I just have to switch something in the back end of my software. Alright guys, that's it for this stream. If you're not in the free Discord, make sure to join that up. There's a free bootcamp as well. If you want to learn anything that you saw today, if you want to learn the zones and how I read price action and all this stuff, there's a free bootcamp that teaches it all for free. And I promise you that free bootcamp is better than any course you ever bought. I promise. Money back guarantee. Alright, so check it out. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't comment if it's going to be annoying. Yeah, I'll see you guys same time, same place. Make sure you got notifications on so you get the notification that I'm live so you don't miss it. I also alerted in the Discord. So, yes, Skull Eye Pinky Promise. Catch you on the Discord. All right. See you guys tomorrow, 9:30 EST, market open. Another green day. We have yet to break our green day streak. Although it is a small green day, it's green nonetheless. All right. See you guys tomorrow.